realized I definitely need to take these braids out. And I think I might have got a little overzealous with the I'm hoping that I didn't cut my own hair. Hope for the best. And I'll see you guys in a little while. Okay, so you guys, I had those braids in for about a month. And this pre-shampoo, I think this might be my ultimate favorite product from the line. Like, I have not combed my hair in a month. And just by putting this pre-shampoo on my hair, it just made detangling so easy. Like, you guys will see. The comb just glides right through. I have minimum breakage. I don't even end up having that much shedding once I do thoroughly detangle my hair. And I just love how it makes my hair feel. Like, I've never had any product that I've been able to detangle my hair this efficiently, easily, and fast after rocking a protected style. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always, I can't blame you now. From a distance, I think we should rule out commitment for now, cause we're falling apart. Oh. After you apply this to your hair and thoroughly detangle, you can sit under a plastic cap for at least 10 minutes. I left mine on for about an hour or two just to get the added conditioning benefits from the pre-shampoo. So now I'm just rinsing the pre-shampoo out of my hair before applying the shampoo to cleanse my scalp and hair, which is essential when you're wearing a protective style. And this just left my hair feeling really soft and moisturized. It didn't strip any of the conditioning properties from the pre-shampoo out of my hair. And now I'm going to add the Moroccan Clay Deep Conditioning Treatment to give my hair all the TLC it needs, especially since I'm color treated. And as you can see, it's really simple to detangle my hair because it's already pre-detangled from the pre-shampoo. I'm just making sure I get all the shed hair removed before rinsing it out and styling. So I left this on for about an hour with a hooded bonnet, and now that I've rinsed out all of the deep conditioner, I'm adding the cream leave-in, which I've talked about before, how I love how thick it is. It's a great consistently and just provides the most moisture for my color treated hair. And then I added on top of that the curling cream, which gives you deep moisture, lasting definition, and shine. It has shea butter and flaxseed oil. The leave-in has coconut oil and baobab oil, which restores and strengthens damaged hair. So initially I was going to rock a wash and go, but I was a little heavy-handed with the product and I just wanted even more definition, so I figured might as well put some twists in. Haven't done a twist out in a while. So now it's the next day after letting it dry overnight, and I added the 5 essential oils: vitamin E, castor, grapeseed, argan, coconut, and olive. And this just also helps deeply condition your hair, hydrate and repair, and gives you some shine and minimizes frizz in the takedown process. So now after separating my twists, I always like to go back in with a pick to fluff out the roots and add volume. I actually like a little bit of frizz in my hair, so I pick it out to make it as big as possible, but that's always up to your own preference. My hair is super soft. It has a light hold, so it allows your hair to feel soft and have movement without weighing it down with like a gel type cast. And these are my results. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Let me know in the comments below. what kind of style you'd like to see me do next on my color treated hair. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to check out my behind-the-scenes experience at the Beyonce concert with African Pride.
So what do you do if you need them to like work up or something? Like, do all the makeup you can make it work without them looking. I wanted some eyeliner on the bottom. Well, you should have been.
We called it Smoky Friday. Everybody had a black eye. Everybody had a black eye.